Alright, final reveal, the F45s, remotored with super powerful FF180 motors, which unfortunately you can't seem to get now. They're nice. They really growl like a classic Athearn Blue Box. Let's check them out. They have excellent slow speed now. Okay, we are running at 17%. Oh, what do we got? This track is scheduled for replacement. As you can see, the track behind it is already in place. It's built. Now let's see what we got here. Okay, now these don't have any special lighting yet, but I did just get a Circuitron flashing beacon. Old school. You know, they're back from the early 80s. And I'm going to try to use that. Basically, I'm going to try to copy it with some other newer components. But I think our special effects on these would be flashing beacons. Now, the one thing I remember about when I put in the Circuitron is that it flashes so bright and frequently that it's kind of annoying. So I want these to have a beacon that can be on most of the time, but not be annoying. Yeah, nice slow speed. They do growl. But these can be definitely now used for some heavy-duty industrial part switching, which is what we have. It's the main job on this railroad. Looking good. And I love the red and white reflectors. Red and silver, actually. I've started using them on pretty much everything. It has real reflectors on them. When the light catches them, they look so cool. I'm definitely calling it on these, and later on they're going to get some beacons of some sort. That will be their special item. I don't have horns either. That's getting to be a problem. I have basically run out of horns, so I'm going to have to go search for some horns. I got a lot of locomotives that are missing horns, but otherwise I'm calling it. These are good to go, and they turn out really nice. F45s in service right now.